Welcome back to Testing Advices. In previous video we have performed TestNG installation, and in this video we will install the necessary Cucumber add-ons which will ease out our efforts in this particular project. So let's start, guys. So what we'll do, first we'll launch the Eclipse and we'll browse to help Eclipse Marketplace, and in this search we will type in Cucumber. So let the Eclipse Marketplace load the necessary jars first. See here. Okay. So in this search type in Cucumber and search. So we'll install this software Natural 0.7.6. So click on install. So just tick this Cucumber editor checkbox, okay, and click on this confirm. Click on this I accept radio button and finish. So the installation is in progress. So during the installation you will get pop-up like this. So you need to click on this install anyway button. As you can see, the installation is complete. So let's restart the Eclipse. Now the second thing we'll do is again we'll browse to help install new software, and in Google type in Cucumber Eclipse plugin. Okay. Click on this URL and copy this URL in the updated site. So copy, launch Eclipse, and in this click on this add button. Here paste that particular URL, name it as Cucumber. You can name anything and add. So as you can see, it displays the available software. So select, click on next. Okay, so it shows the available software. So we'll select and click on next. I accept, finish. So as you can see, the new software installation is in progress. So guys, if you want to see the detailed progress of this installation, you can click on this. So you can see the jar files which are getting downloaded from that particular URL that we have entered previously. So as the installation moves further ahead, we'll get the security warning. So click on install anyway and restart the Eclipse. So guys, we are actually done with this particular installation, and in our next video we will perform the necessary browser and its driver installation setup. Thanks for watching the video.